In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a simple Google search, reach the official WooCommerce website, navigate to the extensions area, search for a specific tool, and open its product page with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type WooCommerce. When the results appear, look for the official WooCommerce website. It's typically the result that clearly states WooCommerce and uses the official domain. Take a second to verify the URL and the secure padlock in your browser. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you're browsing trusted content. Next, click the official WooCommerce result to open the site. On the home page, you'll usually see a top navigation menu. You're looking for the section that houses add-ons, commonly labeled extensions or sometimes marketplace. Website layouts can change over time, so if you don't immediately see it, use the site's search icon or menu to find extensions. The goal here is simply to reach the extensions area, where WooCommerce lists its official and partner add-ons. Once you're in the extensions section, you'll see a search bar and various categories. Click into extensions so you're viewing the marketplace listings. This is where you can locate tools that add features to your store without digging through unrelated pages. Now, in the marketplace search bar, type order delivery date for WooCommerce. Use that full phrase to narrow results and avoid close matches. After the results load, look carefully at the listing titles and short descriptions. The extension you want is designed to let customers pick a preferred delivery date during checkout, which is especially helpful for stores coordinating shipping windows or local deliveries. As you scan, note the developer name, ratings, and compatibility details, and make sure it aligns with your WooCommerce and WordPress versions. Finally, click the listing titled Order Delivery Date for WooCommerce. This opens the full product page. Here, take your time to review the description, feature list, screenshots, documentation links, version requirements, and support information. This page is your definitive reference to understand what the extension does, how it fits into your workflow, and any conditions you should be aware of before using it in your store. That's it. You've learned how to use Google to find WooCommerce, navigate to the extensions marketplace, search for order delivery date for WooCommerce, and open its detail page so you can evaluate it thoroughly. If the site layout changes in the future, remember the essentials. Verify the official domain, find the extensions area, search by the exact extension name, and review the product page carefully.